Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen, and today I will be showing you how to make this towel hanger. Links are included in the description box for the pattern, supplies, and stitch tutorials. You will need worsted weight cotton yarn, 2 wooden rings, a 5mm crochet hook, darning needle, and scissors. The wooden rings have an inside diameter of 2 inches across. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 9. Starting in the second chain from your hook, make 1 single crochet stitch. Continue across, making 1 single crochet in each chain stitch for a total of 8 single crochet. Your first row is complete. Chain 1 and turn. Continue making single crochet rows until you have a total of 9 rows. Pause your video and meet me back once you've finished your last one. Slide your ring onto your crocheted work. Chain 1 and turn. We will be working in only the back loop of row 9 and going through the chain at the beginning. Create 1 single crochet that goes through the back loop and the chain in each stitch across for a total of 8 single crochet stitches. This completes your 10th row. As you can see, you now have unfinished front loops right here. We are going to be making your next row by chaining 1, turning, working again through only the back loop, and inserting your hook into the unworked front loop below. Make 1 single crochet stitch. Continue across, making 1 single crochet stitch through each back loop and unworked front loop below for a total of 8 stitches. This will complete your 11th row. For rows 12 through 36, repeat what you've done for row 11. Chain 1, turn, and single crochet through the back loop and front loop below. Pause your video and meet me back once you've finished your 36th row. At this point, your total project should have 36 rows. A helpful hint for counting the thermal stitch rows is that each row where you could see the bars going across counts as 2 rows. For our 37th row, we will now be working through the front and back loop, not just the back loop as we've previously done. Insert your hook under the front and back loop as well as through the unworked front loop below. Single crochet across for a total of 8 stitches. After this row, you can see there are no more unworked front loops on either side. You will now be making 9 rows of single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across. Once you've finished your 9th row, pause your video and meet me back to finish your project. After your last row, cut your yarn leaving about an 8-inch tail. Finish off, and we will now add our wooden ring to this end. Fold your last row down to row 38, which is your first row of regular single crochet stitches where you no longer had the front loop to work through. Thread your darning needle and sew back and forth. Once you're finished sewing, weave in your ends and cut your yarn tails. Your towel hanger is finished. Thanks for watching. For more crochet tutorials, subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video.